Uwe neki rangma badan ringkat, bat u lead Purno A Sangma nado kapor pakidan lang ke NCP bat hadu banda seng ya ka party thamai ka National People's Party u baben Sangma ulaong badan kam ya kini ka pateng bamenta bakin wat bniah ya ki kam khraw ba ni urat ba ula le na ka benta ka jela bat kari ya kani uba babet ula penpau haka jingelang ban rakhe ya ka lingku sngi ka ba nyobu pra jong unong seng ya ka NPP u Purno Sangma haka jingelang ka ba long ha office kam ka party hanong ba shilong ka party haka ni ka sngi kala rakhe ru ya ka jingdap ka laisnem ka jingya lenti haka san perthai Hakani kesengi na don lang ru kinong yelang bah khamat ka party kentop na du ba ron som sutenga ba kit nong rem ba bah semle ba job pengro ba jit korba ba manroy kharpuri ba mebon kong eldora kong damelari bat kiwe las dang ka jing rakhi da ka jing ban her ya kalama jong ka party bot pat sa ka jingbo sentio bat ka jingelang ka balingkon hakani ka juk sngi kala don ru ka program ka ba he abha jong ka party ha ka William Nagar ka ba deiru ka lingkho snem ka ba khatlai ka jingseng ya ka party ha ka jela
maju kan mga kumbaga narungot kasangot don ang tukapor kabimbar baro kawe state lum tingyalang kapo lupsi mangalo but ai kasaga tintumupan undela ng party yogi baong National People's Party Tunginya Saint Minor National People's Party Tipia Smogumno Gli Zingrai Tungi Ayu Pepa Akating sisa la it was at 11th hour for next general election. My opinion was let us stick to NPP contest and all this Gatma job the MLA means whatever party we want to change. That my idea was, but majority opinion was that we should change the party and that National People's Party was created and registration was done. And from that onward, he worked hard to expand the party, beginning from Manipur. Manipur we got 5, I think, members at that time. And also Arunachal. Arunachal, I think we got 3 members at that time. Like that. And Assam also we tried. And then with work hard work and his wisdom, his vast knowledge, he was able to enlist support from many, except Mizoram. Mizoram is hard not to crack. Mizoram also, but Arunachal and Nagaland and Manipur, we were able to penetrate and win many leaders from there. Till today, we have leaders from there. Coal minister, as labor minister, as textile minister, commerce minister. What he has done, I have spoken here one day. Yeah. He has done tremendous. Yeah. That impact is still going on today. But we do not realize, we do not feel it. But that impact, that ideas you have, my request was, if some young students are there, go and do research, what he has actually done. And that research outcome will be for the interest of our people, for the future planning of our people.
Ni dap da jingkemen haba ni dio ru ya ka government ka bandit ka parti NPP hapo ka ka jela Meghalaya ka jongi pat kumchu ni dap da jingkemen ba ka ka parti kala nang suthiet sakibai pat ki jela ru hapo North East India pat kumchu ru hapo mainland India ru ki don ki jaka di bang i don ya ki members jong ka parti ni dap da jingkemen ba ka parti ka ba ni don ka National People's Party ngila yo yung nong seng opala I ba hapo ka Syakri pat ba hakaba ula julong tengru kum u chief minister jong ke jelna ka jongi house nam khakhandai spa prapupra pat kum ta terter ula longru kum u speaker jong ka lok sabha hakaba naki tribal na try ka dei ka record ha ki por ki ba yo kum u speaker jong lok sabha but kum juru kum union minister nak menta ka information and broadcasting ministry but kum juru ya ka coal ministry
ni talo Barok ngitip yang ikam ratba acong ulit PA Sangma ubada yung seng yung ka National People's Party. Barok kitip yang kejengnya fight juga kumalakren mama naduk kapor kabaulong MP Banangkong o kakana Espanyol kunyomo but kejengnya fight juga kumno ban pengkiu yang ikit tribal hagaba hat kendai spa kena pusan ulayo panlong union minister banen kau nak dari tribal kata kali kau banen kau mau mat hadin kata tu mulai keren baro bot hau 96 bio panlong speaker banen kau jong kaluk sohan nak dari tribal po jong kari India ajar kata uya kun nak kemta ban pen isya ka pertai ba balai mangi kinot yesu ngemla ban Syong ha kita cuki kiba halor duk juga di India. Da ka u ya kun ya ka election president. To warna da job ru dan rei kani kare kam nasib ka ba khraw tam na da ki pa jong ka North East ba kham tam jong ka jalan kaya. Kita kubor ka ba kwa ban ong na kunta ki dekot jong ka yeng jong ka NPP ha da sini long. Tu nginput ia kan nuksa cu wat hapreng ka jinglong kena no gendong kumba hiti barok palakai umah kaslong capa hati musa napo west karo hill hilaban mudur kita di post nem tiba mensua agar hill skatno ka jing sakdir tangrai nah ka bukum kata kasno kukiu hatu ka khet ka halor do jom kari dia pagakan mau hakapor boyole ia ka election president Minister Susno Swaraj ay away ka press release ko. PA Sangma is the tall leader of the country and the tallest leader of the North East India. So ketika ay inspiration yang aku way na leader sa party, but ngilong ko ni kumangilong ru day bang persan panpot ya ka legacy the footstep kabangi ni pet ni kme ni pule ya kakot ke bawah kok bat kumcuru ya kini ki video iba ni ya pek mentang ya ke bawah Ukraine haki tentang paper pajo ke India bat kumcuru hapo parlemen tinggal bulan sih
aku punya ya ke session of parliament ni dokumen apa sudah berkata speaker ni dokumen mulai kun kam presiden bahasa jingkun ku mengikat ke jingkun kam presiden walau sungguh pun lapan poin kau mereka kuno ba kibai pak itu ya ka cat penriu ya ka jela ka cumi hantam ya kini ki reulo ki cumi Sa kali athan chate lam ni ka ba teng tem kan mau pa ka katan judis ni ke stia jong kini ki than chate lam ni ke jimi jong pro sama so Purno sama ko ta spend no ban thu lam ru ya kini ki chat ru ru chate lam ni kan tam ya be chala chu dengan semua pan ai ke jing ya ro yo so Purno sama ya ke jing la ka ju jing krit ke ju ke jing champang ke ju man of words and a man of wisdom namar kata kadau Kadang ini, habang ladang ke parti ke bawah ini, orang orang mak orang seng, kadang itu yang ini bantu, ikut usaha, ke bawah ke bawah ini. Begini terus kita bilang, banyak kesana ke parti, bakal kami, dan tentu dari ke parti, amtang ke parti, neru bantu itu dalam, secara India bayar, ya cak menteri repat, kasih jaga garu juni, bagi cak menteri belum kepada catai lambini.